It's April 4 here. It's 3 degrees. It's raining. It's 11:11 right now, so gotta make a wish. And yeah, I'm bundled up here. It's raining. It's probably gonna rain the whole time I'm doing this, which I'm fired up for. David Goggins would be pumped, and Adam Schultz too. So yeah, I'm gonna get to my buddies, grab the boat, strap it up, and then I'm going to Paris, Grand River. And it's basically, I'm gonna go to the end, drop my bike, go back to the start, kayak down the Brant. I think it's like 12K with the current, so the water will be high, it'll be ripping, so it shouldn't be it'll be pretty leisurely. And then bike back to my truck, and then turn around and go back to the end, put the boat on. So that's the game plan. All right, see you in a bit. Here in beautiful downtown Paris, Ontario. So this is where I'm gonna get off the kayak, because obviously there's a dam right beyond that train bridge. There's a nice dam that you don't want to go over, which I'll show you later. So I'm gonna put my bike here, lock it up nice and tight, and then go to the starting point. See you in a bit. All right, homies, just about to set sail here. The Grand River is ripping. So we're starting at Glen parking lot. I'm gonna go that way. I think it's like 15K, but it's ripping, so this will be fast. The water is very high. Water is very high and it's ripping. We're gonna have some fun here. There's a little tugboat. Let's go. Pelican, sponsored by Pelican. Let's go. All right, you beauties, just taking 5 here. Took on a ton of water. Nice rapids. Water's very high, so I had to dump the boat a little bit. But we're rocking and rolling here. So 5K in, let's go. All right, we just passed that. That used to be bridge. Nice landmark. Yeah, we're having a great time out here. Yeah, that's it. Just doing some floating. I think we're about 10K in. Just casual. All right, I'm backwards now. See you later. Okay, we're getting to the end here. There's the classic train bridge. And then right beyond it is downtown Paris. And then right, I don't know the distance, 500 meters after the bridge is a nice dam, so you don't want to go down there. And they don't have the things out yet. Okay, anyways, this is the end of the line. There's the bridge, very scenic, very nice. There's Paris off in the distance, right there. Killing it. All right, guys, here's what I mean. There's the bridge. There's that dam. Boom. It's not that big, but I mean, you don't want to go over that. And there's Paris right there. All right, that's it. That's Glen to Paris kayak on the Grand River. Bless up.